All right, we're at number 48. 48 says, clamp a brace piece the same length as the bottom width across the inside of the top and glue it and nail the face frame to the carcass. Here's our brace piece. Okay, I cut it. It's the exact same length as the width of our bottom from here to here, so right around 12.5 inches. Okay, I did put 2 pocket holes in there in case I decide that I want to, when I put it in, I want to use small puckhead nails, or excuse me, puckhead screws, and screw them in just to help hold it. I do have a clamp, a small bar clamp on the back side just to help hold it in. I could slide that up to the front if my sides were going out. Okay, just to check it too, I also put a speed square in here. All right, so to do what we need to do, we need a few things. All right, we don't need the drill, but I need glue, I need a nail gun, and I need brads. Okay, what brads are, they're a small nail that we put in into the gun. I'm gonna have my assistant here come hold this for me so you can see what's going on. Brads come in different sizes. Okay, you can see the size that we're gonna use are 1 1/4 inches. So as we go into the wood, it's gonna go probably about 1/2 inch into our side, okay? The brads are mainly used for holding it in place while the glue dries, because the glue is actually gonna be the one that holds it on and secures it, okay? So in order to put the brads in, okay, we're gonna slide this back. Make sure that the wide part goes up and push that in, slide that forward, okay, put a little bit more in, make sure it goes in the groove. Okay, now, in order to do this, we also need to attach the hose to the back side. So when we do this, pull it back, push it forward, and then let it go. To take it off, pull it back. Okay? All right, so now, make it a little bit easier. We put this on, get our glue. Remember, we don't need a ton of glue when we do this. Unless we draw on it, it'll squeeze out and put it on. Okay, don't need a glue. Actually, we'll put a little glue on the bottom. End grain doesn't glue real well, but since we've got edge grain right here, okay, so when I do this, spread it out just a little bit. Okay, then I'm going to start with the bottom. I'm going to make the bottom flat and even. Okay, make sure my edges are the same on both sides, and I just go by feel. I can look at it as well. Okay, and then I'm going to take and I'm going to nail it on the way up. As I go up, I'm going to adjust either left or right. So remember, I only have about 3/4 of an inch that I'm going into here. Okay, so basically where this arrow is right here, that's where the nail's going to come out at. Okay. All right, and then we'll just work our way up. Okay, and we'll do the same thing to the other side as we go up. Okay, when we're done, pop it off, and we're good to go.